This video will cover many of the basics associated with the LTV 1200 ventilator. You'll notice the ventilator panel is sectioned off, making it more convenient to navigate. Here, you'll find the on standby button. At the top left is an airway pressure display. This display gives real-time airway circuit pressure. Just below is a display window. This will show you alarm messages, monitor data, and the extended features menu. At the top right is a collection of status indicators. The first is patient effort. This lights up briefly each time a patient effort is detected. The three remaining indicators give the status of the vent related to how it is being powered. The external power indicator shows the level of external power while the ventilator is operating from an external power source. When the ventilator is running from the internal battery, the external power indicator is off. When running from external power, the indicator shows the following levels. Green means the external power is acceptable. Amber means the external power is low. External power may be provided by connecting the ventilator to an external battery or to an external AC power source. Charge status. When the ventilator is plugged into an external power source, it automatically charges the internal battery. If the LED color is flashing amber, this means the ventilator is performing pre-charge qualification testing of the battery prior to starting the charge process. If it's green, the internal battery is charged to full level. Amber means the battery has not reached a full charge level and is still charging, and red means the ventilator has detected a charge fault or internal battery fault. Battery level. The battery level indicator shows the level of available internal battery power while running from the internal battery. If it's green, it has about 45 minutes. When it's amber, that means the battery is low, and it has only about 10 minutes. When it's red, the internal battery is critically low and may have less than 5 minutes of power remaining. If the LED is not lit, that means the ventilator is running on AC or external battery. Here is the variable control settings which sets and displays each ventilation characteristic, such as breath rate, tidal volume, pressure control, inspiratory time, pressure support, oxygen percentage, and sensitivity. Here, you will find the mode and breath selection area. This button allows you to designate between volume and pressure mode, while this button allows you to select between assist control mode, SIMV, CPAP, and NPPV. Here, you'll find the special controls. These activate special controls such as manual breath, low pressure O2 source, and inspiratory-expiratory hold, as well as the control lock feature. Note, the low pressure O2 source button is pressed when the ventilator is attached to a low pressure source. Just to the right here are the adjustable alarm settings. You can use the set value knob and change parameters for high pressure limit, low pressure, and low minute volume. This LED indicator for vent in op becomes lit for a minimum of 5 minutes once the ventilator is turned off. The silence reset button can be used to silence alarms when appropriate. And at the bottom right is the PEEP control setting and display. Notice the set value knob. This can be used when adjusting the variable controls. On the right side of the ventilator, you will notice a 22mm outlet port for the patient breathing circuit, a high pressure sensing port, low pressure sensing port, exhalation valve driveline port, and alarm sounder port. On the left side of the unit, you will see a cooling fan, DC input where DC power port can be connected, patient assist call jack, communications port, oxygen inlet, and an air inlet that has a filter.